There's a scene in Attack on Titan where Eren looks at his reflection and doesn't recognize what he's become. Hollow, worn down, like something that used to be alive. Most men walk around like that every day, not because of war, not because of trauma, because of choices so small they don't even register as choices. And the result is written all over their face. Puffy eyes, gray skin, dark circles that concealer can't fix. You don't look tired because you're working hard. You look tired because your body is silently failing to recover, and you've normalized it so completely you've forgotten what the other version looks like. Here's what's actually happening. Sleep is not the whole story. Everyone knows sleep matters, but most people who look chronically tired are actually getting 6-7 hours and still waking up looking destroyed, because it's not just duration. It's architecture. Your body does its most important repair work in deep sleep. Growth hormone release, cellular repair, collagen production, the stuff that keeps your skin tight and your eyes clear. And deep sleep is killed by one thing faster than anything else: your phone. Blue light at night suppresses melatonin for up to 3 hours after exposure. You're lying in bed for 7 hours, but getting 2 hours of actual recovery. Cut screens an hour before bed. Black out your room completely. Sleep in a cold room. These aren't wellness tips. They're the difference between a face that looks alive and one that doesn't. Your cortisol is showing. Chronic stress doesn't stay inside. It surfaces. Elevated cortisol breaks down collagen, increases inflammation, and causes water retention, particularly around the eyes and jaw. The permanent puffiness most men accept as just how their face is frequently cortisol, not genetics. The fix is not meditation retreats or journaling. It's mechanical. Cut caffeine after 1 p.m. because it has a 6-hour half-life and is still in your system at midnight. Walk every day, not for fitness, for nervous system regulation. Limit the inputs that spike you unnecessarily. News, arguments, notification loops. Your face will change within 2 weeks, not dramatically, but enough that you'll notice. Dehydration is aging you in real time. Your skin is an organ. Like every organ, it needs water to function. And most men are running at 60–70% hydration while wondering why their skin looks dull and their eyes sit in shadows. 2 to 3 liters of water a day is the floor, not the target. More if you're training, more if you're drinking coffee. Alcohol is particularly brutal. A single night of drinking dehydrates your skin for up to 72 hours afterward. That's 3 days of looking older than you are for 1 night out. Add electrolytes if you're training hard. Sodium, potassium, magnesium. Hydration without electrolytes is like filling a leaking bucket. The thing nobody mentions: sunscreen. UV exposure is the single largest driver of visible aging in men under 40. More than diet, more than sleep, the men who look 10 years younger than their age in their late 30s are almost always the ones who started wearing SPF daily in their 20s. SPF 30 or above every morning, even when it's overcast. It takes 9 seconds. The men who skip it will be explaining why they look older than their friends in 15 years. You don't look tired because life is hard. You look tired because you're ignoring signals your body has been sending for years. Start reading them.